This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markell, Import Car Magazine, and today we're talking about Toyota TSB 0142 in regards to smells from the AC system. This TSB covers models from 2004 to 2014, and it discusses two methods to help minimize those smells from the AC system. Simply put, the first bit of advice is to leave the recirc open so outside air can get into the cabin when the vehicle is parked. This helps to eliminate a lot of the stagnant air and allows some of the water inside the case to also evaporate. The second piece of advice is to replace the cabin air filter every 10,000 miles with a charcoal impregnated filter. This does two things. Number one, it eliminates a lot of the smells from the outside, let's say from the car idling in front of you that may have a very rich mixture. And it also prevents bacteria from collecting on it because there's certain antimicrobial properties with this filter. So Toyota's advice, 10,000 miles, replace this and you'll get rid of a lot of the smells inside the cabin. I'm Andrew Markell with Import Car. Thank you very much.